Hello, ladies. It is time to detox and cleanse every area of your life, your emotions, health, spiritual life, finances, and more. Join Hope Springs Women's Ministries for a one-day power-packed retreat tagged Detoxify, Healing and Restoration. It is time to release, exhale, stretch, and boldly step into the future that God has prepared for you. What to expect from the retreat? Emotional healing and overcoming past trauma. Spiritual renewal and deep encounters with God. Financial wisdom and strategy for stability. Worship, networking, stretching, and community support. Date, Saturday, March 29, 2025. Time, 10 a.m. Venue, 101 West Drive, Unit C, Brampton, ON. See flyer for registration details.